We're currently storing all our glasses in boxes under the sink. We're also storing all our booze unattractively on the floor, and I think we should try to rectify that. As it happens, we have a spare piece of wall in our kitchen that seems like it's meant for this purpose. After several months deliberating over the pattern of the shelves, we've settled on this simple layout. As always, the first job is making the timber flat, straight and square. Although we had already designed the layout, I find it's always helpful to move things around to check the balance of the design to make sure nothing looks funky. Using a square for domino joints that are in the centre of a piece of wood helps keep things looking nice. After messing around with a knife trying to open this packaging up, I got desperate and turned to my Japanese handsaw. Fun fact, Japanese saws cut on the pull stroke, whereas European ones cut on the push. This means you have a much thinner blade, as it does not have to oppose your cutting action. It also makes a cool noise. These are aluminium LED channels that enable us to add a diffuser to the light, softening the end result. We'll need to cut channels for these to fit in though. We always assemble our projects dry, so without glue beforehand, as there will always be a fitment issue and it's best to fix it before it gets mission critical. I also can't wait until the end to see what it looks like. To be efficient with the LED strips, we soldered 2 offcuts together to make a full length. Always look for an opportunity to work with the laser. This one is so that the shelves are straight from the left support to the right. Because the design has minimal central supports and does not contact the floor, we need a way to support the shelves, and I wanted to do it so that you cannot see the fixings. There's nothing worse than an ugly bracket ruining all your good work. We cut the sides off some brick screws so that they fitted in some domino holes we've cut, and this should prevent any sagging. I was trying to get everything together ready for the final fit, and although there was a lot of jiggling to get each end fitted, we managed it. The final job was to connect the controllers, power supplies, and add some felt tape to give the glasses something nice to rest on. These are RGB CCT strips, which means it has separate warm white and cool white LEDs so that you can have good quality whites as well as coloured. It also means it works well with Phillips Hue. We're really happy with the final result. It adds some brilliant ambient light, and as a nice surprise, it highlights the brick wall it is mounted to. Just need to fill it up. If you're into interior design and would like to see our journey, consider subscribing. We're working on the next 8 flats and we cannot wait to share the journey with you.